Hello and welcome back everyone to this second meditation. This meditation is one that we're going to be doing not just for the person or for each individual. We're going to be doing this one for the collective consciousness. The collective consciousness of all beings and all things upon our beautiful Mother Earth. We are showing you some symbols next to us here. We're going to be working with sacred geometry. And even though you perhaps can't visualize, just listen to our words, feel our words, and feel the energy and the intention within them.
It's all about the intention to receive.
Yes, well said. The intention to receive, yes. Okay. You've had the opportunity now to look at all of the images. So let's just start the journey. And it is a beautiful journey. And we wish you to see it in that light. First of all, we are placing a tetrahedron. This is a four-sided pyramid. And the first one has the peak facing upwards. And as you allow your love and your energy and your intention to pour into this tetrahedron, you'll start to see that it starts to spin. You'll see that the velocity and the vibrational frequency continues to rise.
And now you visualize a second tetrahedron with the peak downwards to Mother Earth.
And we do exactly the same. We pour our love into it and we pour our intention into it, that it gains in strength, that the vibrational frequency continues to rise. And now, if you look closely, you'll see that the tetrahedron at the top is dropping down.
And the tetrahedron pointed downwards is rising.
They're coming together as one. And many of you will recognize the next symbol because this is our Merkaba. And now that they have merged together as one, you can see how the vibration is rising. See how the velocity, the speed, the vibrational frequency continues to heighten. See how your Merkaba is growing and expanding.
Now we ask you to step inside the Merkaba.
Feel as this energy courses through your body. Feel every single cell of your being as it expands with this beautiful energy of your Merkaba. while you're still standing here enjoying the energy of your Merkaba, we're going to ask you now to visualize another sacred geometric symbol.
This is the octahedron.
We're going to visualize this one. You can see it here on the board. It has a 5-sided pyramid pointing upwards and a 5-sided pyramid pointing downwards. And this time they're not going to merge together, they're just going to come together as one.
And the peak downwards is anchoring in Mother Earth.
And the peak at the top is opening to the universal consciousness energies. We're going to ask you to visualize yourself now stood inside this octahedron. If we are not mistaken, you can feel the energies rising, for your soul knows why it is here. It is here to heal
your soul wounds. It will release old male and female energies. It will cleanse you.
So as you visualize yourself stood there inside, indeed all of the old soul energies, soul contracts, soul agreements that went wrong in the divine feminine and divine masculine, all of those experiences are now being transformed within this symbol. And if perhaps you look down at your feet, you might see a murky puddle. This is that energy that's being released from you. And now look at what's happening in and around you. Thousands upon thousands upon thousands of little light points dancing in and around you. Understand, dear friends, that all of these light points that you see, if you look very, very closely, you'll see that there are spaces in between these points of light, particles of light. If you look very closely, you'll see that all of the matter that's being taken out of you is being merged between these light particles. And as you allow it on ever deeper levels to work and to happen with you, in all of your bodies, in all of your splinters, in all timelines, as you allow this to take place, we set the intention to create a beam of light that will exit through the peak at the top
and the peak at the ground.
And understand that this is the microcosmos that is floating in and around you. Understand that as it merges back out through the peak of the octahedron, it is simply returning home. It is merging back into the macrocosmos. Feel how the energy is enjoyed to be returning home. If you look at the sides of this octahedron, you'll see that there are beams of light entering from source. Understand that what is happening, that which has been removed, has created a void. And to fill that void, we are allowing the light of source, the light of one, to flow back in to fill your spaces and voids. Feel how your body is becoming ever lighter and vibrating at an ever higher vibrational rate. Now all we ask is that you hold this beautiful octahedron around you, inside of your Merkaba. Feel the vibrations as your whole essence is heightening in your vibrational frequency. In its very nature, the Merkaba is a tool for duality. There are many, many things that you can do with this beautiful Merkaba to heal duality. But our intention for today is to bring us out of duality into oneness. And for that,
we have a next symbol, the dodecahedron.
indeed, the dodecahedron is in its very nature oneness. It holds the vibration of oneness. So in all that you are in these sacred geometric forms, you are now connected and tapped into the oneness field. Dear friends, loved ones all over our planet, it is our heart's desire, our wish, that the ripples of energy that are brought forth from our voice, our words, here in The Hague, ripple out all over Mother Earth. And dear friends, we add nothing to it, for it is your free will choice, your unique spark of the One, that will decide and feel what is best for you. Feel the ripples as they move out upon Mother Earth, all over Mother Earth.
In onze handen, hebben we edelstenen, geladen met de energie van de dodecahedron. En zo meteen gaan wij deze edelstenen met een groepje mensen naar het water brengen hier. Om zo de energie te verspreiden. Allereerst hier. Zodat
Translated, Mario is holding some very beautiful crystals, and we have more with us. And they are fully loaded with the energy that we have shared with each other today. In a moment, we are going to move away from this place and look for a special fountain. We're going to place them there in that fountain. We'll be leaving them here behind in The Hague, so that they too can work as a catalyst, so that the energy may continue to flow from Den Haag, The Hague, outwards through Holland, the rest of Europe and the rest of the world. We thank you all, from our hearts to yours, for being present with us today and sharing with us this beautiful ritual.
Namaste.
Namaste.